How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning into our daily dog walk happening on Wednesday the 16th of March. It's the morning walk. I'm out with the little guys. We've got 8 dogs. I'll show you them all in all the fun in a moment or two. It's a bit wet, hence the geography teacher attire, but don't worry, no geography teachers were harmed in the making of this video. Stay with us. The pack are nice and peaceful. Most of them are on the path here. We're going along here and up. There's one or two, Alfie and Elsa, a little explore in the woods. Keeping an eye on them so I don't have to go and pick up any poo. So far so good. Come on, you lot. Come on, Ted. Ted, you should have had your jacket on. Oh, it's like a tatty field up here. Some of these dogs are going to need submerged, never mind towels. Charlie and Ted being the main culprits. Elsa, what are you eating? Come on, we're going to the summit. Now we run about up here with the ball. Can't imagine there'll be many folk around. Alfie, up you go. Up here. Ted, you gonna go up? Who's going on the top? Who's going to be the first on the top? You can be the cover photo. Who's it going to be? Who's going up? Who's going up? Get Ted! Is it nice? Who's this coming? Do you know? Alfie, Biscuit and Elsa. Good, Elsa. Oh, nice, Charlie. Good run. He's like a little gazelle. Here's our Charlie. Well done, you guys. Is that a good workout? Around here. Alfie, are you okay, bud? Come here, buddy. What's this? Do you think we were going a different way? Good boy. Well, we need to keep up with Ruby, or otherwise she'll be off. Good boy. That was a bit muddy, wasn't it, guys? Yeah. Charlie, come here, Charlie. Let's see your face, kid. The other side. Filthy, isn't he? Isn't he? Oh, you're a miserable bunch at the end of the walk, aren't you? You really are. Alright guys, I'm a bit miserable too. Thank you very much for watching.